Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic avatar on Roblox for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Roblox application from my mobile phone and we're going to go to the avatar to create a realistic avatar. Okay, once you have opened the avatar, you can go to the characters and make sure you choose base body here to create a realistic avatar. You can choose this one or this one or this one, it's up to you. And for example, I'm going to choose this base body. All right, and then we can click on free, and then I'm going to click on get to get this avatar for free. All right, and we're going to go to the customize and go to the purchased, and I'm going to apply this one. Okay, and we can dress up this avatar to make it looks more captivating. I'm going to go to the head and body, and wait, oops, sorry guys, I'm going to skip this step. Wait, let me change the skin. I'm going to make it a little bit darker. Okay, and I'm going to go to the clothing. All right, I'm going to choose outerwear. I'm going to select the denim jacket. Okay, I'm going to get it. All right, and it will create something like this, and then I'm going to get pants as well. Okay, let me get the free one. If you want to get the item for free, you can filter the price. You can set it to 0 for the minimum and also the maximum, and click on apply. Okay, and then I'm going to choose, wait, let me choose this one. Okay, or this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one and click on free and get. Okay, and this is the final look, and you can still customize your avatar, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create realistic avatar on Roblox for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.